Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to do a factory reset, which is going to delete all of the codes that are on our Kwikset code lock. So what we want to do is open up the back area. So there's a screw right here, as well as on this side. We're just going to take a little Phillips head screwdriver to remove those. And once those screws are out, we can pop off this back covering to expose the internals. Now at this point, to do the factory reset, we're going to take out the battery. And with the battery out, we're gonna hold down the program button and then put the battery back in. And then we need to hold this for 30 seconds. So it is gonna take a little bit of time, but you need to hold your finger down on this button and not let up on it for 30 seconds. Once it does that, it's going to make a buzzing sound, and then we're going to let go and wait for 2 red flashes, and then we're gonna press the button again so that it's gonna go into that factory reset process. So we let go after we see that, and then we're waiting for 2 red flashes, and then we press that button one more time. Heading over to the other side, we can see if this is factory reset by if we click the lock button, it's not going to work. And if I manually lock this and then I enter in one of the codes that I had, we'll see that it's not going to be working. So one of the codes I had was 0000, and you can see that that's not working to unlock the door. So at this point, we are factory reset. And at this point, to program a new code, I'm gonna click the program button on the back, and then I'm gonna enter in a new code, and then click lock. And I can see that that was successful, so now I'm going to lock, and then try that new code. And we can see that that new code is now working. So that's the process that you're gonna go through to factory reset a Kwikset code lock, and that's going to delete all of the codes that you have on that particular lock. So I hope this quick tutorial is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by, and consider subscribing for more content in the future.